In this training, I want to talk about finding the right attorney. And I can't stress to you how important it is to find the right attorney to grow with you, to have on your team. John, I'm sure many of you are familiar with, or you will become familiar with. John's an incredible person. He's been our attorney for so long, from, very when he got started, right? All the way up until now. Now he's doing bigger syndication stuff for us, but also helping us with anything we need in between. So here are a few questions that you need to have prepared to ask an attorney that you want to put on your team. First one is, what experience do you have? And I'm fine with somebody newer that is just getting going, but I just want to know, what schooling did you have? What are you most interested in? Like, do you have an itch for real estate, or are you trying to do criminal law, or are you trying to be an ambulance chaser? Like, what exactly is it that you're looking for? Just so we have a good fit. What experience do you have, or what are you into? What's your dream scenario here? And then the next thing is, once I find out that they're interested in real estate and they are part, real estate attorney, do you handle evictions? Will you help me with my, 3-day notices, with the, not, I don't need help with the set outs, but will you help me with the whole process of getting tenants out? What are your fees and hourly rate? What do you charge to go to court for an eviction? What do you charge for an hour if I need just somebody to talk to for some help or whatever it is? What does all that look like? I want to know what that is in the beginning. Are you exclusively a real estate attorney? So that's kind of leads to our first one. Is that all you do is real estate, right? Or do you try to do other stuff? Are you trying to do this or that? Like, I'm really looking for somebody that's really focused on real estate, right? Anything real estate related, from the evictions to helping with the 3-day notices, to even the promissory notes, the mortgages, or all of that kind of stuff too. And also, can you help me with probates, short sales, creative finance deals? Whenever, we look at these creative finance deals, and I'll get into that with something else, but a lot of times a good attorney on your team can really give you the documents, the knowledge, the know-how to help you structure that creative deal that you want to figure out, whether it's a subject to, or it's a lease back or wraparound mortgages, whatever it is, right? Master lease agreements, all of that stuff. Attorney has all those documents, and they can help you figure out the best way to use that for a unique situation that requires creative financing. So really, really important to ask that question. And bigger isn't always better. I've had attorneys at big law firms like Taft, KMK, big ones here in Cincinnati. And then I've had smaller ones like John or Elliott's, Stapleton, or different attorneys. And honestly, like, I really like my niche down individual expert, because the bigger firms are going to, first of all, charge way more, and there's just way more hoops to jump through. They're really formal. They're not as easy as kind of calling up John or calling up somebody to get the help and advice that I need. So bigger isn't always better. Remember, you pay for all the fancy stuff, just like when we're vetting contractors. We pay for all the fancy trucks, sales, this and that. And it's no different than when it comes to building out our support team.